Hello again, everyone. In this technical analysis of the stock market video, this weekend I'm sharing the video that I provided to my email subscribers. It's a free video that's put out on Saturday and on Wednesday, and this is the one that was just put out today here on Saturday. So I thought I'd go ahead and share it with you. Hope you like it, and we'll talk to you at the end of the video. Hello again, everyone. This is the free video for Saturday, December 15th. And boy, yesterday the market took it on the chin. The Dow was down almost 500 points. The S&P 500 down 50 points at the close. This is the lowest close on the S&P since April 2nd, back in the spring. And let me just zoom back out of this for a minute. Give you the big picture. Here's everything in the for the year. And I've got this dotted line at that low from February 2nd. It's around, actually, it's about 25.32. It happens to coincide right with the lower end of this channel. This is going to be an absolutely critical level in here, okay? We shatter through this, and I think a waterfall type of selling is going to accelerate. So we're watching this level on the S&P 500. Now, this wave count is one view, one scenario. An alternate wave count is that wave 2 didn't finish until over here, and that we're actually doing Manu wave 1, 2, and doing 3, and that calls for a deeper move in here. I actually like this picture a little bit better, but either way, we're in a wave 3 to the downside. All right, so that's the picture on the S&P 500. Let's take a look at the VIX. Let me zoom in. So the VIX was up today, up 0.98. For a while there, I thought this was going to close above the trading of Thursday, Friday, or Wednesday, Thursday. I thought it was going to, close above those two previous days, but it pulled back down just a little bit, closed at 21.63. So it's staying elevated, it's staying above 20 anyway. Let's put it that way. And it's staying outside this wedge type of consolidation that I've got. So that's the picture on the VIX. And let's see, the next thing I want to take a look at is the high-low. And let me pull this up. So this is the 52-week high-low on the New York Stock Exchange. This is the whole year picture. So this is back in February. And here's what happened in October and into November. And here in December, today we hit, or Friday, minus 670 on the, so 670 more stocks hit their 52-week lows than highs for the day. We always net that out, and that's a summary of the net. You can see we're approaching that low of minus 727, and you can see we're at levels that are a whole lot worse than even what we got in February back in that first sell-off that happened. Now, Is this extreme? No. I mean, in 2015, we had a lot lower than this, and I guarantee in 2008, we were a lot lower than 2015. So I'm just showing you relative to the whole year what's going on with the 52-week high-low picture. Okay, so that's on the New York Stock Exchange. I want to take a look at UUP, the dollar today. The UUP was up, and here's the picture. It was up a little, up 12 cents on UUP. So I am now leaning towards, this is where I had the wave count. I'm starting to believe that this is what is going on. I'm looking for a push higher in a wave 3 up here. And we'll see if that continues to plan out. I mean, that's the nice thing about Elliott Wave. You sit back and say, okay, what's the wave pattern scenario that you think is underway? So then you carve it out, and then you keep looking for the waves to be playing out according to that scenario. So right now, they're playing out according to this scenario. So that's the picture on the dollar, and looking for it to push higher. And then the biggest percentage loser on the S&P sectors was the XLF. Again, the financials are getting hit. XLF was down 23 cents on Friday, but for the week, it was down 3.5%. It was the biggest loser of all the sectors. Okay, so this ETF dashboard is what I look at in here with all my members. You can see in the red here, this is the biggest loser on the financials. Semiconductors had a little move, but when you look at the chart, it looks like nothing. 1% move. And so let me just zoom in on this, take a look at this, zoom back out. And, right now I'm very bearish on XLF, and this continues to play out that way. I'm looking for this to continue to work its way to the downside. Why the banks are getting hit, why the financials are so weak, don't know, but somebody knows something, and somebody's selling for a reason. And so when you start to look at and say the financials are getting hit, the home builders are getting hit, the technology has been getting hit. So the key legs of the economy are really not acting very strong at all. All right, so that's the picture. Let me look at the weekly picture, see if I have that. Okay, so for the week, down 86 cents on XLF, and as I said, 3.5%. That's the picture here. It's rapidly approaching this bigger trend line, and that's this trend line of the entire bull move in here. Okay, so this is the big picture I've got. This is the high back in 2007 before the financial crisis, and I believe we've been in a big counter trend move. Since then, we have not punched. We basically got up and kind of tested, came up right to the highs of 2007, and I believe we are rolling over right now. So, and again, it's like that's my scenario. That's what I'm looking for, and I'm watching the waves continue to play out exactly in that pattern. All right, that's it for this week. Everyone have a wonderful weekend. We'll talk to you on the video next week. Okay, I hope you liked that video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and remember to share the video. And if you'd like to get this on a little more regular basis, then head on over here to joehenches.net. Let me pull that up. Right here to the website. All you got to do is click on here to get the free videos. Sign up, first name and email, and you're good to go. And you'll get something very similar to that. I try to keep it to 4 to 5, maybe 6 minutes a time, and again on Saturday and Wednesday. So that is the picture there. Everyone have a wonderful rest of the weekend. We'll talk to you on the next video.